All right, so now that we have WordPress installed, we need to make it look good. As I mentioned in the last video, WordPress looks very basic. And not that this theme itself can't look great. Let me actually show you this theme in action on another website that I think looks okay for it being the standard WordPress theme. This is the same theme as what we just looked like, but it's configured, and this is just a website where, you know, funny things found on the internet are posted, but nonetheless, it's using the standard WordPress 2014 theme. So when you're in the back end of your WordPress, there's a option over here called Appearance, and then Themes. Since you bought your website through, or bought your hosting through Blue Domain, there is an option called Mojo Themes through the Marketplace, and then there's also WordPress.org themes. Most themes under WordPress.org themes are free, and there are a lot of really good-looking themes that you can choose from. As you can see, a lot of these themes are really good-looking. You can click on the featured ones to see featured themes, popular themes, latest, premium themes, or you can use the filter option to filter based on the colors that you want to go with, the type of layout, the type of features that it has, and then if there's some sort of subject matter that you can choose from, like a category type. So under featured, for example, if we wanted to install one of these themes or even see what it would look like on our website, all we'd have to do is either click on preview to preview what it would look like on our website, which, considering the fact we haven't done anything to our website yet, it's not going to look like this theme does. There is going to be a little bit of setup and configuration, and that's something that I talk about in another course, but you can install and get started with one of these themes. So if this theme looked good, we can click on install, and it's going to go ahead and take us through the quick process of installing the theme. You can see that it has now installed the theme. We can either live preview or activate the theme. So let's go ahead and activate the theme. So that's all that there was to activating the theme. Now if we go and view our website and just refresh the page, you can see our website looks completely different. So now begins the process of customizing your theme using the customize option underneath appearance. And like I said, that's for another course. This course was simply to get you started on getting a WordPress website installed and ready to go. And I think we've accomplished that. So in future videos that you can get to with the link below, I walk you through the process of how to use WordPress. There are a lot of sections in WordPress such as posts, media, pages, settings, users, all of that stuff. I answer all those questions and walk you through that process in my beginner's guide to using WordPress, which is available at the link below. And it is a free course. So make sure that you check that out.